My name is Robert Slagel, and I am the owner and CEO of the Portable Solutions group of companies. Two of the companies under the Portable Solutions banner are Modular Security Systems Incorporated, or known as MSSI, and DropBox Incorporated. We build large structures, large portable, essentially boxes. Some of them as long as 70 feet long, 12 feet wide. Some of them weigh up to 60, 70,000 pounds. A few years ago, we were feeling some serious growing pains. Business was good, but we were running out of floor space. We were introduced to the folks at Combilift, and we purchased a Combilift straddle carrier and a couple of Combilift multi-directional forklifts. And those purchases have actually been positively transformative with our company. We were about to make the decision to spend millions of dollars to add on to the square footage of our plant because we were running out of floor space. But with those pieces of Combilift equipment, we were better able to position our equipment on the floor, better utilize our floor space, and we spent thousands of dollars on the Combilift equipment as opposed to millions of dollars adding on to our building. So it was a very, very worthwhile venture for us to meet Combilift. I would highly recommend anyone having a space problem, space issue on their manufacturing floor to speak with the Combilift people. They're very knowledgeable. They see what others do around the world, especially with regard to warehouse layout, and they can advise you on how best to organize your warehouse, lay it out, and utilize the Combilift equipment. Again, it's greatly improved our efficiency on our manufacturing floor and our space problem.